My name is Logan Bishop. I teach Welding Technologies. My favorite part of the job here at the ATC is watching young welders develop. I see several students come in that have no idea what welding even is. I have them for a couple years and they leave out of here with welding industry certs. It's a really good career to get into. There's always going to be welders. So when a lot of students leave here, they can already have that certification under their belt, saving them a lot of time and hassle. But the program is very labor intensive as well, but it does kind of help students get familiar with the environment that they're going to be in.
My name is Mason Wright. I am a welding student. We learn what might happen out in the work field, whatever we might need to fix. It's taught me a lot. It started out just basics, but now as we get into more advanced stuff, more stuff that you'll see out in the field, it's getting me work ready, career ready. It really helps me with working with people even outside of welding, because it helps me problem solve with other people, helps me listen to their side, what they think we should do. We do projects for people, we do work for other people, so it's just really helping me get that work experience before I go out and work.